Hello dear students, welcome to the online lecture for BA Part 1st English Literature. In this video we are going to study a poem Where the Mind is Without Fear, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7 May 1861 and was died on 7th of August 1941. He was also known as Ravindranath Thakur, Gurudev, Kobi Guru or Bishwakabi. He was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th century. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali, he became in 1913 the first non-European as well as the first lyricist to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Tagore's poetic songs were viewed as spiritual and mercurial. However, his elegant prose and magical poetry remained largely unknown outside Bengal. He is sometimes referred to as the Bard of Bengal. Students, you should recall that Shakespeare is also known as Bard of Avon. Similarly, Rabindranath Tagore is sometimes referred to as the Bard of Bengal. Bard means poet. So Rabindranath Tagore, who was born in 1861 and was died in 1941, was the youngest son of Devendranath Tagore, who was the leader of the Brahma Samaj, which was a new religious sect in the 19th century Bengal and which attempted a revival of the ultimate monistic basis of Hinduism as laid down in the Upanishad. Although Tagore was knighted by the ruling British government in 1915, but within a few years he resigned the honour as a protest against British policies in India. Tagore wrote successfully in all literary genres. He was first of all a poet. Among his many volumes of poetry, some are Manasi, that was published in 1890, Sonar Tari, that was published in 1894, Gitanjali, that was published in 1910, and Giti Malya, that was published in 1914. The English renderings of his poetry, which include The Gardener, Fruit Gathering, and The Fugitive, do not generally correspond to particular volumes in the original Bengali, and in spite of its title, Gitanjali, that means Song Offerings, that was published in 1912 on, and this was the most acclaimed work of Tagore. For this work he got Nobel Prize in 1913. Tagore's major plays are Raja, Dakghar, Muktadhara, and Raktakarmi. He is the author of several volumes of short stories and a number of novels. Novels among them Gora, Yoga Yog, and Ghare Bere were very popular. Besides these, he wrote musical dramas, dance dramas, essays of all types, travel diaries, and two autobiographies, one in his middle years and the other shortly before his death in 1941. Tagore also left numerous drawings and paintings and songs for which he wrote the music himself. Tagore wrote primarily in Bengali but translated many of his works into English himself. He was awarded the 1913 Nobel Prize in Literature, and in 1915 he was knighted by the British King George V. Tagore renounced his king knighthood in 1919 following the Amritsar massacre of 400 Indian demonstrators by British troops. As a humanist, universalist, internationalist, and ardent anti nationalist, he denounced the British Raj and advocated independence from Britain. As an exponent of the Bengal Renaissance, he advanced a vast canon that comprised paintings, sketches, and doodles, hundreds of texts, and some 2,000 songs. His legacy also endures in the institution he founded. Which institution does he found? He founded Vishwabharati University. Tagore modernized Bengali art by spurning rigid classical forms and resisting linguistic strictures. His novels, stories, songs, dance, drama, and the essays spoke to topics political and personal. Gitanjali, Gora, and The Home and the Word are his best known works, and his verse, short stories, and novels were acclaimed or penned for their lyricism, colloquialism, naturalism, and unnatural contemplation. His compositions were chosen by two nations as national anthems, India's Jan Gan Man and Bangladesh's Amar Sonar Bangla. The Sri Lankan national anthem was also inspired by his work. So that is all about the poet, the Rabindranath Tagore. And in the next video, we will study the poem that is suggested in your syllabus, composed by him, Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, was published as the poem number 35 in Gitanjali. The original poem bears the title Prarthana, meaning prayer. So, in the next video, we will see the text of this poem and we will study the whole poem. Thank you all.